Hello everyone, my name is Stanzin Zangmo. I am from Ladakh and currently I am working in Anveshana Prayoga and my project name is bioconversion of latex to rubber and rubber composites. We have an online interview where they ask questions related about the topic which you choose. If you get selected, so you will have to join Anveshana from April 1st, and it was really a good experience and I've learned a lot of new things here. They are always ready to help each other. It was really a good experience to make friends from a lot of states. Like there are people from Karnataka, from Kerala, from Maharashtra, from Delhi and a lot of other states. It was really a nice experience. So it was a first time for me to work in this big research institute and the people here are so kind. I am from Lamdon Model School, Leh, and I am currently studying in 9th class. Latex to rubber, I think it is a really essential thing because nowadays you can see the pollution, it's increasing. So to reduce it, we are doing some natural, we are adding some natural acid so that it will biodegrade fast.
तो मेरा बच्चे अभी प्रयोगा इंस्टीट्यूट में सिलेक्ट हुआ है तो काफ़ी खुश है। बहुत दिक्कत के बाद यहाँ पे मतलब हर किसी को परेशानी से मतलब सेलेक्ट होता है तो उसमें से एक बच्चा मेरा भी है। प्रयोगा इंस्टीट्यूट का जितना भी मेंबर है उनको धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि उनमें से सेलेक्ट मेरा एक बच्चा भी हुआ।